Hello guys, welcome to the ninth video of our Python playlist, and in this video we will discuss sets. So what is a set? Set is basically a multi-values storing variable in Python and which is unchangeable. And the thing is that we can add or remove values from a set, but we cannot update them. Another thing is that in a set, there are no duplications allowed. It is same as the set notation or sets in maths basically. So to define a set, we have, let me take set1, which equals, and here I should write 1, 2, 3. So if I want to print this and whether it is a set or not, so I can write print type set1, and if I will run this, so you guys can see class is set. This means the type is set. So if I want to print the elements inside a set, so for that we can write len set1. So you guys can see now that the elements inside a set 3. Alright. To create a set other than this, we can have a set constructor. Let me take set2, which is equal to set 2 starting brackets and 2 closing brackets. And in this starting bracket, we have to write, for example, JSON Paul, just like that. So if I print this set2, so you guys can see that Jason and Paul are part of the second set. Let me write here set2 colon inverted comma close comma. So to add a value inside a set, we can use the add function. So set2 dot add, and here if I enter 3 and print this set, as I told you guys earlier, that the order is not defined in a set, right? So if I run this, so you guys can see that in between Jason and Paul, 3 has been added. Furthermore, we can basically add a complete set into an existing set. For example, set2.update, it means we are updating the set2 with the values of set1. So if I print the set2 now, so you guys can see that firstly, the values of the set1 are entered, and then the values of set2 has been added over here. And you guys can see that 3 was already present, and if you remember the previous output, 3 was present in between Jason and Paul. In the set, basically the order does not matter, so that's why you can see that 3 is printed first over here. In the previous set, set1, we already have 1, 2, 3. So when we updated the set2, and in the set2 we had added this value 3 already, only one appearance of duplication will be shown inside the set. Alright, so what to do if we want to remove something? So for that we have .remove function. So by using the remove function, for example, set2.remove, I should enter 2. So if I print this, the set later, so you guys can see that 2 has been removed. And the previous output, you could see that 1, 2, 3 was present over here. First value was 1, second was 2, and the third one was 3. Alright. Now the problem is that what if this 2 is the present? I should write 6 over here. So it will be giving an error. Here you guys can see key error 6. That means that 6 is not in the set. So why you are trying to remove that? So to get rid of this error, we can use discard function. So let me copy this, and here I can use the discard function. So using the discard function, what will happen, that error is not given by in the output, right? So this means the program didn't crash. All right. Furthermore, we can remove values by using the pop function also. So set2.pop will randomly remove a value from a set. For example, if I run this now, so you guys can see that 1 is removed. We can also clear the values inside a set. This means that set will exist, but its values, just like this we did, its values will not exist. So for that we can do set2.clear, and if I print the set2 now, so you guys can see that only the set and the brackets are shown over here. All right, so I am commenting this. And we can also use the delete function del set2 to remove a set. We can use the set mathematical operations also, the operations of set notation, union, intersection, and a difference basically. So for that, let me start with union. So for that, what we can do, if we want to create a new set of the union of set1 and set2, let me comment all these. So if I want to create a new set with the help of set1 and set2, so I should write set3 over here, and I can write set1 dot union, and here I can write set2. So if I print the set3 now, so you can see that the set3 is printed over here. Set3 is basically a new set which has the elements of both set1 and set2. Alright, so we can also use the update function, just we did over here, set2.update, and it will work as same as the union. Alright, now if I want to find the common part of two sets, let me take set1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set2 with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if I want to create a new set, x is equal to set1 dot intersection, and here I should write set2. So if I print the set x now, so you guys can see that 2 and 4 are printed over here. This was related to the intersection, and if I do not want to create a new set, and I want to add those values inside an existing set, so for that I can use set1 dot intersection underscore update, and here I can write set2. So if I will print the set1 now, so you guys can see that 2, 4 is now printed over here. That means that the set1 is updated with the intersection of set2, or with the intersection of set1 and set2. Alright, so the last function of set is the last operation of the set notation is the symmetric difference. So for that, let me comment these lines, also this one. For that, what we can do, we can use set1 dot symmetric underscore difference underscore update set2, and if I print set1 now, so you guys can see what will happen basically. The elements which are not common in the both sets will be added to the set1. So if I run this, so you guys can see that 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 is printed. Look, basically 2 and 4 are just common in both sets. So the remaining are now added in set 1. And if we want to create a new set, so we have to remove this update and we just write a set over here and print that set. So if I print this now, so you guys can see that 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 is the symmetric difference of the sets set 1 and set 2. Hopefully you guys got some concepts regarding sets in Python. So see you guys until the next video. Take care. Goodbye.